Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. We are back today with a review on something I've been wanting to review for a while, and I'm just now getting the time to do it. And that is going to be Dixxon Flannel Company's flannels. So I'm going to go ahead and roll the intro and then we'll get to it. So yeah, I'm going to be reviewing Dixxon Flannel Company's flannels. So far I have two of their flannels. I have this one, which is the gray and black plaid, and then I also have an all black one. The first thing I want to touch on is price. So if you go on their website, the average price of a new flannel is $50 to $60, and if you want to get the fire retardant ones, it's $60 to $70, depending on which collaboration and which design you decide to get. The two I did get on like a Christmas deal, and this one was $25 and the all black one I have was $25 as well. So when you look at the price comparatively to other flannels such as the motor companies, if y'all have ever bought any from them, or if you've looked at them, or just any other flannels that I've ever seen, they're very comparable, very equally priced as the others are. If you're looking at the motor company, obviously those are going to be, at a little higher premium, just because, the logo. And so next up, I want to talk about quality. And I know videos can't do quality justice, but these are very high quality stitchings. They're very thick. They keep you warm, and right when I opened up the package, I immediately knew that this was a high quality flannel. And ultimately, I don't think I'm going to have any issues with the buttons. The buttons are very well sewed on there, and I haven't had any issues with them thus far. Next up, we'll talk about the size of it, and sizing does run on the larger side. That's either a good or bad thing for you. It depends. If you're using them for writing, I think it's a good thing because you have enough space to put on like an underlining, or even like a hoodie or something, just to keep you warm if you're wearing them in the winter months. So that's really good. They are a little longer, which is fine for me because I'm 6'1", 6'2", depending. And so they run on the longer side. This is an extra large, and usually I wear extra large, and it fits me good. Like, the length is good. The tails, like I said, it's a little on the larger end, but also if you're going to tuck it in, that works fine. Very nice fit overall. I'm very happy with it. Another thing I want to talk about is the designs that they have. So they have a lot of designs for their flannels. A lot of them are plaid designs, but the color spectrum that they use is very vast. They have lots of different collaborations. I don't know if y'all have seen my previous videos. I like Adams polishes for cleaning my vehicles, and they had an Adams polishes collab recently. It was a black and red plaid, which are the colors of Adams polishes, so that was really nice. And they do drops almost about every week on these different collaborations, and it's really cool because you can get yourself a good variety to wear depending on your gear and what you're doing, and to make yourself more visible. Although another thing I want to mention is shipping, or timeliness of that shipping. So from what I've read, they are fairly good on getting their shipments out on time. However, when I ordered, like I said, I did get this particular one in a sale, and it took about almost a month before I got my shipment to me, and that was a bummer, honestly. Like I said, I was planning on making this video a while back, and I just never got my shirts in, and when I did, I didn't have time. So that was one thing I can't attest to besides, you know, my personal experience on that, and it was not a good one. It was very upsetting. They did, however, email us saying that it was going to be running a little late because they had so many orders. It's just a bummer on that end.